on, guys? Jeremy here with the Jeremy Tyler Group and Keller Williams Keystone, doing something a little different for you today. This house is in the middle of a project, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek. So if you're looking for something in the near future, it's a colonial style home. We are in Windsor Township, Red Lion School District. You're gonna love this, but I wanna show you what we got going on today. They did a ton of cool stuff with this house. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, now we are in an active renovation here. They are putting the finishing touches on this home. It's gonna be finished in a couple weeks, but I wanted to bring you guys in here and take a look at some of the features this home has. Look at how beautiful these floors are. You've got a brand new kitchen with your quartz countertops, all brand new stainless steel appliances, recessed lighting to keep it nice and open, and a huge island in the middle for preparing meals, entertaining, and you do have an overhang over here, so you can actually put stools here and enjoy meals at the island as well. Now, one of the big bonuses about this house, and one of my personal favorites, is if you come over here and follow me, you have your laundry on the first floor. You don't have to go downstairs to do your laundry. And then back here, you also have a half bath or a powder room. All right, guys, now right off of your kitchen, you've got this space out here. It's a kind of like an all seasons room. Now, one thing I want to let you know is that this investor is planning to put baseboard heat in here. So it's a little chilly right now, but you will be able to sit out here and either dine or entertain, and it'll be comfortable year round, summer or winter. So right off of your kitchen, you have these beautiful French doors that will be finished. It's gonna lead you right into your dining room. Now, use your imagination a little bit. It's not there yet, but they are gonna be having all of the wood floors in here, polished and refinished. We're also going to be putting fresh paint all around. You see the walls already have the paint on there. These doors are gonna be resurfaced and freshly painted as well. All right, now right next to the dining room, you're gonna flow right into another room. Now you could call this room your living room, a family room, a study, or an office, whatever you wanna use this room for. But look how much space you have in here and how much natural light's coming in. Now this room also has these beautiful French doors as well. These will be, again, refinished and painted for you. But if you decide to use this as your office, you will have privacy by being able to close those doors. All right, we're gonna cross through the foyer area to go check out another room. Again, this one is not finished yet either, but one thing I want you to notice are the floors that they put down in the foyer area. These are brand new floors. They're a little dirty right now, so wait for them to be finished, but they are gonna look beautiful. I can't wait for you to see them. All right, coming across the foyer and into the next room. Still not finished and outfitted yet, but this could serve as like a family room or a living room for you. This investor is pulling out all stops for you guys. I mean, everything in this house is being redone. Everything is gonna be brand new for you. All right, now I'm gonna take you guys upstairs. Let's go check out the bedrooms. One thing I wanna point out as we're going up the stairs, we do have fresh carpet. Carpet's brand new. We're gonna go check out the master bedroom first. What's going on, man? How are you?
Okay.
All right, so we're in the middle of a project, guys. All right, so this is gonna be the master bedroom. Now look, you got fresh carpet, fresh paint, okay? Ton of natural sunlight coming in, recessed lighting again to give it an open feel. And I'm gonna take you in and I wanna show you the master bath. We got a guy in there working right now, so I'm gonna try not to interrupt him, but come on in and check it out. All right, now that you guys saw the master, let's go check out the other rooms. Okay, right into bedroom number 2. Again, new carpet, fresh paint, everything in here is going to be brand new for you guys. Now, before I show you the next bedroom, check out the full bath right here. We're still doing some finishing touches here. There's gonna be some tidying up here, but the tile work in here is brand new. Coming right around the corner is bedroom number 3. Again, fresh carpet, fresh paint, and check out the size of this closet though. I mean, I could put a bed in here and take a nap. All right, now coming right around the corner brings us into bedroom number 4. Again, everything is new. Carpet, paint, huge closet, tons of natural sunlight. Oh, guys, check out this roof, by the way. you've got a metal roof on this home, which is gonna last far longer than most of your shingles, or most of your roofs that have shingles. All right, now one more place to show you. I'm gonna take you downstairs and show you what we got going on down there. Again, I need you to use your imagination. This is an unfinished space. We are in the middle of this project, but come on and check it out. All right, guys, now we are in the middle of laying some flooring down. Come on in, check this out. Look how beautiful this flooring is, guys. Now you can use this space for whatever you want. You have so much space down here. This could be additional bedrooms. This could be a man cave. This could be your own office. Whatever you want to use this space for, you're really only limited by your imagination. Now, there is an egress down here. Let me show you. Now, because you are able to get outside from the basement, finishing this basement, finishing this square footage will add additional value from an appraisal standpoint. Oh, one other thing I want to show you. Check out what they did here. They put a fireplace in the wall where the stairs come down. All right, I want to thank you guys so much for joining me on this video tour. It's a little different than how we normally do things, but I wanted to give you guys a sneak peek, and you will be seeing this home again coming soon in a couple weeks once everything is finished. So if this looks like something that you may be interested in, I encourage you to give me a call at the number below so I can get you in so that you can get your own personal sneak peek and have first grabs at it. I'll talk to you soon.